So I got this NEWSWEEK that I was planning on selling on eBay, June 2, 1947, and it's the Red Scare episode, issue, or whatever. What are they up to? I guess a union had a communist congressman, Vito Marcantonio, but yeah, it always says, yeah, we don't want to say what they're doing because it's all good stuff. It's like, but it's wild because they basically like call people out. Here's the pictures. There's that congressman that the union got elected. I think these are all the people we're supposed to hate. Because, you know, it's very one-sided. It doesn't actually give a perspective from the other team. But it's interesting, huh? The whole Red Scare deal. I thought it was kind of cool. Talks about more doctors smoke Camels than any other cigarette now. And these are the alleged good guys. Yeah, look at that feller. He straight looks like a Nazi. But these are the good guys. Alright, I guess. That's what they're saying. What's at stake with unification? I don't know, I just find these old NEWSWEEK magazines very, very interesting. Unveil that couldn't be made. Timken steel. Yeah. Right on. I don't know, I think they're very cool. I don't know why anybody would have thrown this in a dumpster. But they did. And now it's going to get put up on eBay. Just a few interesting articles on this. And I just thought this was cool because it was hey, this is actual Red Scare stuff here, right? Oh, fine. So that's a pretty good issue, yeah, I guess. Yeah, I just happened to notice that as I was looking through. Edgar Hoover tells us how to fight communism there. Is this the guy that murdered Hampton? Wait. Who? He don't look like much. I don't. That's not cool. See, we live in this world where Achilles could be destroyed by a fat bastard with a gun. The great Achilles could be defeated by just a slob with a gun. You know what I mean? Holy cow, there's all kinds of commie stuff in this bound volume of NEWSWEEKs. Huh. Infiltrations in New York to Kansas City. Kansas City? Oh, but we gotta advertise for the fascist, right? Right? Oh my goodness, there's all kinds of cool stuff in here. Yeah, man. Someone should buy this on eBay because it's a cool deal. Learn lots of cool propagandas. Only the best. Only the best. The greatest name in rubber. But yeah, more J. Edgar Hoover stuffage. Oh, this is that article. How to beat it? The 10 don'ts. Don't be hoodwinked by equality, and there ain't no damn such thing. Huh. Don't label anyone as a communist unless you have the facts. Don't confuse liberals and progressives with cops. What? What are you fucking... Don't take the law into your own hands. Oh my gosh. Golly. Yeah. Smell that. Yeah, this is interesting. Yeah, it's crazy seeing what our parents, the propaganda that our parents grew up with. You know what I mean? Because some of these have been just like crazy. Babelistan? Lady Mountbatten. Yeah, I think this is neat. I think it's neat as heck. But yeah, there's all kinds of... Oh, yeah. Oh, hey now. And see this here? I knew a dude, he was like 100 when I knew him. And he was in... he's in a couple wars. I think he was in World War II and he was in Vietnam. And he married the daughter of the chief of police in Berlin under Hitler. I think that's the official title of his. I never knew her. She was dead before I ever knew the man. But yeah, yes, that's who he married. And he always said that foreign women were a lot better than American women because American women want to get their nails done and spend money, and they don't ever want to do anything. He said, he always said Asian women were the best because they'll do stuff. They'll like garden and put up crops and put up food. He said they were awesome, and they treat you real good. I guess he was kind of a chauvinist, maybe. Probably, I would think. The crisis is now. Got people coming together acting like Christians all over the world. We gotta nip this in the bud, make everybody worship money. But yeah, it's a bound volume, 1947, May to June.